Hello students, welcome back to CAT 2025. Yes, we have been doing all the examination preparations, and now that we have completed everything, all the competitive examinations, we need to focus for a bigger picture, which is CAT 2025 examinations. And now is the right time to think if your future is dwelling into the right picture. So today we are over here to speak about what is the actual criteria to get into any IIMs, be it an old IIMs or be it any IIM baby. So today we will have a picture that I have gotten for you. We will see the criteria that you need to figure out before you fill the registration form, which will happen in the month of June. So we still have time. We still have time to think that we are, completing the syllabus or not. We are completing the practice test or not, or the mock test until we give the examination on the D-Day, which will happen in November. So entirely we need to figure out how everything will work together to align those stars for us. So let's get started. My very first slide says that, what are we looking for and how far we have come now. So, whatever the criteria is, whatever the focus is, the main thing that we need to understand is that ultimately, whatever the criteria we are deciding, what matters is your CAT score. If this is fixed for you, it is the right time that you should choose your favorite college or your dream college, okay? So you need to attain 99.99 percentile to at least crack IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore and Calcutta. But some students who have been engineers, non-engineers, they do not receive calls from these big IIMs even after they have a very good CAT score. And why is that? Because their academics is not by far matching the criteria of these IIMs. You will get calls from IIMs if you are reaching, 99.12 percentile or 99.xx percentile. Everything is correct. But what matters is that you need to clear the personal interview, the ability test, which is the, written ability test, and hence the other factors that are important for shortlisting and final selection. So we'll see in our video that how these criterias work. Before that, I just want to say that there's an Emerge batch that has recently started, covers all the premium mock sectional and curated materials with all the educators of VARC, Quants and LR. So if you're applying for CAT 2025 batch on Unacademy, this is the batch that has recently started. You can just apply my code JUHI99 and I am a VARC educator. You can avail this batch with maximum discount. So as I was talking, we are here figuring out the big IIMs and the old IIMs maybe. IIM Ahmedabad, Calcutta, Bangalore, and hence this is the chart that you can see over here. And you can compare that the colors that you see, blue, red, yellow, green and orange. So over here you see the 10th, 12th graduation, WorkX, CAT and gender diversity. This is the exact profile that you need to build up for yourself. So for example, if we take IIM Ahmedabad, you need to have 10% of the weightage, which is for 10th boards, okay? So you need to have 90% and above marks in your 10th boards, okay? For 12th, which is the orange section, you still need to have 10% because it takes and have the weightage of 10% and that is from your 12th boards. For graduation, it takes 10% as well. So you need to have 80, or for that matter, 90 is a good score that you need to have in your academics. And then 5% is what you are calculating for your WorkX. For WorkX, I'll also explain a slide that how much you need to have your WorkX until you're filling up your CAT examination form, okay? For orange section, you see over here, this has the maximum amount of weightage and which is the CAT score. So as I was saying that, CAT score is your maximum weightage plus it is the most identifier that needs to have in all your academics. Because you're giving this competitive examination, you need to just understand that even if you score 99.xx percentile, these weightage are also important plus the CAT score adds up to it, okay? You also see gender diversity. So not in IIM Bangalore or IIM Ahmedabad, it is, important in most of these colleges, which is I am Lucknow, I am Indore, I am Kozhikode, I am Shillong doesn't have a gender diversity section, but I am Jammu has a gender diversity section which is of 10%. And this is on the bifurcation of if you're a female or a male. So engineers and non-engineers also get weightage accordingly. If you want a brief video according to it, I will have the entire section covered in another video. You just have to comment down that, I need more information on this and I would love to provide you informations on that. So if you can take a screenshot of this, this is the best, I could give you as a chart where all the colleges are explained with the weightage that they hold for 10th, 12th, graduation and your CAT score plus gender diversity. So all of this matters when you are actually applying for any IIMs, or if you are, getting a call from any IIMs, be it a bigger IIM or the blackies or the baby IIMs. Okay, so this is a picture of baby IIMs. This is the cap weightage. If we see, for example, IIM Ranchi, it has 10% of your 10th, 10% of your boards and 10% of your graduation. Most of the IIMs, be it IIM baby or IIM older IIMs, all of these has 10% in your 10th, 12th and graduation. The maximum weightage it holds is your CAT score. Okay, your CAT score. WorkX is also counted in IIM Ranchi, which is 15%, and then 10% is your gender diversity. Likewise, all these IIMs, if it is IIM Trichy, Udaipur, Amritsar, all this holds, different backgrounds in terms of criteria selection. But what you see common over here is your CAT score. So you need to work on your CAT preparation, revision. If you are, coming this year from last year, you thought that last year percentage was not so good, so you're reattempting this year. So all this matters when you have a good CAT score. Generally, the students that have a good academics get, get selection because they had the entire scenario covered, according to their criteria. But the students that are not selected, even after scoring good marks, it is because they don't have a good academics background. Okay, and vice versa. So you need to have a very good entire scene when you are looking forward for any IIM. And for that matter, you have that 2 years MBA program that is your dream. Okay, so this is a general bifurcation that I have given. When you are in class 10th and 12th percentage based on aggregate score, it is mentioned over here. Okay, so if you have more than 80% in class 10th, the point that you hold is 10, and if you have more than 80% in 12th, you have 15, as a score point in your CAT consideration when, you get a call from any IIMs. Okay. Likewise, if you have 75 and more than 80, you have 8 points. Likewise, 75 and more than 80%, you have 12 points. Okay. And you see over here, we have gone till 60 percentile, which is 0, not counted, and 60 percentile in 12, which is 0, not counted. So till 60 and, more than less than 65, you have 2 score, and likewise over here in class 12 also, you have 3 as a score. Okay, so these are counted when you are getting a selection criteria or a call from any IIMs. Okay, now this is very important, and people have been asking me that does the work experience count when you are getting any call from these IIMs? Yes, it does count, but in terms of the month, if you're applying in July 2025 right now, so if you have less than 12 months of WorkX, the point that you would get is 0 until June 2025. Okay, if there is not, if the months that you have worked for is less than 12 months, the point is 0. If it is greater than or equal to 12 months and less than or equal to 36 months, the score you are getting is 0.20. That can also, get changed according to the years that have been coming, or maybe in 2025. But the number of months of work experience should be more than 12 months. Okay, not less than 11 months, and greater than 36 months, you get 5 points. So this is the general criteria selection when you have a work X, and it is very, very important that and it also gives a leverage to you if you have a good work X. But if you are applying in June, You're filling up the registration form in June. If you have less than 11 months, that won't be counted, unfortunately. Okay. We have come to the last of this slide, and if you need any information regarding the CAT score, the CAT percentile, and any other bifurcation other than these criterias, engineers, non-engineers, female, male, I would love to give you information on that. But before that, there's a very good offer that has come. 3 दिन का free pass तैयारी होगी first class. Okay, so this means that the offer is valid till 2nd April. So till 2nd April, you can register over here for free. You can activate it, and then you can have the entire scenario of the batches that we give on the plus classes. So this will be valid till 3 days. So if you are applying on 2nd April, you'll have a valid pass till 5th of April. Okay, so you can view all the batches, all the educators, what they teach, and according to that, you can actually select your courses. This doesn't happen on any other platform. I'm so glad Unacademy is giving this. So this is a free 3 days CAT subscription you can avail, and the link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and have a very, very good evening.